Hi, my name is Gurmeet Singh Dunn, and in this video tutorial, we will learn that how we can use a smartwatch. Nowadays, there are various smartwatches available in the market which you can use in conjunction with the mobile or smartphone to manage phone calls, contacts, messages, emails, and various apps available or which support wearable devices. But you can also measure health related details like during your various workouts or exercises like swimming, walking, cycling, etc. You can measure or track how many calories you have burned. So depend on the kind of smartwatch and sensors available, you can also leverage various other facilities and health related details. In this entire video tutorial, I'm using Samsung Gear Sport smartwatch. This is the kind of watch we will use, and I will use the Note 9 mobile. Okay, so we will use this Note 9 mobile. Okay, so this is the kind of entire system so that you can find how you can leverage. So let's get started.